Hey friends, in today's quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to freeze rows or columns here in this Google Sheets document. Now, as you can see, I have a really basic spreadsheet. And what this is great for is if you have a larger set of numbers or data and you're scrolling through like this, basically you're going to have your headers for both your rows or even headers for columns here stay put so that when you're scrolling, those indicators stay with your numbers. It helps making read all of your data just so much easier. So let me show you how to do this. Basically, I have my labels that are on row 1 up here. So that's the row that I want to freeze and actually scroll down as I move through my sheet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here, I'm going to click on View in the File Options. I'm going to come down here to Freeze, and then this is going to bring up a few options for us. You can see we have row options up here at the top, and then we have column options down here at the bottom. I'm going to select one row right here to start with. Let me click this. And then as you can see, I have this little gray line that showed up. Now that's just going to indicate where your freeze row is. So as you can see now, when I scroll down, all those headers are going to stay put and move with my scroll. Now, what's nice about this is I can come up here and actually grab this line and I can drag it down. And now everything above that gray line will freeze as well. So again, this just allows to have multiple rows be frozen and move along to help you read your data. Now, let's go ahead. I'm just going to come up here and I'm going to do no rows. And I just want to do this with columns really quick to show you what that looks like. So we'll go View, Freeze, and then Columns. I'm just going to do one column here. And as you can see, it just puts that gray line on the column space now so that as I scroll to the right or left, that is going to remain in place. Again, same thing, you can grab it, you can drag it over if you want to have more than one column selected. That's it, friends. Hope that has helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button, and then stay tuned. We make a ton of these Google Sheet tutorial videos to help make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.